We finished our drywall. We put our first coat on yesterday of drywall mud to seal up all the joints and the nail holes. This morning I came in and finished the top layer of the drywall. I used a 12-inch knife, which makes a nice wide band here, makes it nice and smooth. Tomorrow, after this dries today, we'll take a sander and lightly sand all the high spots so it's nice and smooth. And then in a day or so we'll come in and shoot it with texture, and that will finish the drywall project, and it'll be ready for paint at that point. Down here, I didn't finish down here because the shower stall is going to be in the corner here, and you'll never see it, so I just left it. We've got 38 inches coming out from each corner for a shower pan, and it'll have a shower side on it. You'll never see most of this. So that's where we're at, and we're just about ready to shoot it with texture. We're back in our bathroom here. Over the weekend we had somebody come in and do the texturing, and then they followed that up with the painting, and that was all done over the weekend by somebody else. And we also had some tile work done. Before the tile man came to set the tile, I had to set the pan in place. It's not a fixed pan at this point. It was just laid in here so that he would know where to cut his tile to finish the floor. He added 4 pieces here, a little corner here, and then he had to pop out these 3 tile, cut them to fit, and then put them back. So now we are ready to set our toilet, finish our shower, set our vanity and our sink, and that'll push us right along on this project.